Uh, there will be some question that ask you to that deals with discount. So actually is I believe all of you heard of the word discount. So a discount is good when you are paying for something. That means you know you don't need to pay so much. So it's actually a reduction in the price. So sometimes they will be asked to calculate the percentage discount. There will be this formula that you will need to take note of. Discount will be marked price minus the selling price. So some of you may be confused. So what's the difference? So the difference will be something like this. So for example, here, if you go to popular, you will see an item that you want. Maybe it's a calculator, it's a book. So there will be a price tag here. So this price tag is what we'll call the mark price. So this item is marked this way. It's marked this amount. But maybe when you go to the counter, you actually don't pay this amount. So for example, if you go popular, so maybe this price is $20. That means the price tag shows you $20. But if you got some membership discount, then they will give you a 10% discount. So after the 10% discount, 10% of $20 is $2. So what you actually pay is 18 dollars. So this $18 is the selling price. So even though it's marked at 20, but the person sell you at $18. So essentially the selling price is the price that you are paying from your pocket. So the price that you are paying is different from the price tag. So that is called a discount. So a marked price is the price tag that is shown. Then the selling price is the actual price that you really pay. So usually you will be happy when the amount that you pay is less than the price tag. Okay, so the formula for the percentage discount will be you get the amount of discount, which most of you will know how to get the amount of discount, but it is the denominator that confuse you. So the denominator is always the mark price, which what I call the price tag. So I will compare the amount of discount with the price tag. It is not comparing it with the selling price. So if I would like to get the percentage discount, I got to compare it with the price tag. So the price tag is my 100%. So eventually, because there's a 10% discount, then I'm only paying 90%. So the price tag, or what we call the mark price, is 100%. So that is what you will need to know. So in like, for example, here, during the Great Singapore Sale, all the items were reduced by 10%. That means this is the percentage discount. That means it will be the percentage discount on the mark price. So the sale price is 1125. Sale price means the selling price. So they are willing to sell the camera cheaper at 1125. So this is like the selling price. And this selling price is after a 10% discount. That means whatever that you are paying is actually 90%. So you need to know that this price that you are paying is 90% of the price tag. And remember the price tag, which is the mark price, is 100%. So we are interested in getting the 100%. So after a 10% discount, you are paying 1125. So that 1125 represent 90%. So if you got this idea, the correct idea, okay, I will use the 1125 to divide by the 90%. So I divide by the 90%, I will know what is 1%. And that 1% multiplied by 100 will be the mark price. So this will be the mark price. So you can actually work backwards if you want to. So you got a camera. The camera is 1250. So the camera is 1250. You can work backwards. Let's say you take a 10% discount. You get a 125. So when you go and pay, you actually pay lesser. So you pay 125 lesser. You should get the same amount back, which is the sale price. So you can always work backwards. So that is the idea of discount. Okay, so the next one is also the same thing. The mark price of a piano is 5899. So like what I mentioned, the mark price is the price tag. So you go to a piano shop and they put a big price tag over there, but then they say now it's a sale time. So they are willing to sell you at 5299. So you think about it, how much discount would that be? So you can calculate the discount, you can calculate it to be 600. And then always divide the discount by the mark price. So like I mentioned, the mark price is 100%. That's why my denominator is 100%. So my denominator is always what? The quantity that is 100%. Then you just punch calculator, and same thing. If you're not getting a nice answer, so be it, you convert it to a 3 SF answer. Okay, so that is the idea of a discount.